Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening Fortnite and navigating to audio settings in the main menu. Check the selected sound output device and sound channel options for correct assignments. Test sound using both headphones and speakers to see if the problem is hardware related. Mute and unmute channels to confirm volume levels are not zero. Restart the game and the platform after any changes to ensure settings are applied. Note whether the issue affects voice chat, music, or in-game effects to guide your next steps. On PC, open sound settings and set the default output device before launching Fortnite. Disable audio enhancements and set the sample rate to 48,000 Hz for game compatibility. Update your audio drivers or console firmware using official manufacturer tools. In Fortnite, set the sound channel to stereo or headphones based on your hardware. Close background apps that capture audio or cause conflicts, like voice recorders or streaming software. Reboot your computer or console to finalize these quick changes and retest audio in a match. If quick fixes fail, verify Fortnite game files or clear the platform cache to repair corrupted audio assets. Reinstall your audio drivers by uninstalling them in Device Manager, then reboot to trigger automatic reinstall. Test your headset on another device to confirm the hardware and cable integrity. If using USB audio, try a different port or a powered hub to rule out power issues. As a final step, reset Fortnite settings to default and contact Epic Games support with logs if the problem persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.